Hello, my name is Jeff Young. This is Management 3385 at St. Mary's University in the summer school of May-June 2015. I'm here today with our videographer, director, producer Jay, who does a great job in these videos. And I wanted to take a few minutes of your time to introduce you to the course and some of the key issues. First of all, this is an introduction to human resource management. So we're going to cover quite a number of issues: human resource planning, training and development, recruitment selection, labor relations, legal issues, and so forth. So we're probably going to cover somewhere around 14 to 15 chapters in the text. So it's an introduction, so we cut across a broad array and don't necessarily get into the depth that you will get into should you decide to follow some of the 4,000 level courses in human resource management. So I wanted to impress upon you several things today. Number one, please log into the course site. The course is only about 7 weeks long. Previous experience has told me that some people don't log in until 2, 3, sometimes even 4 weeks after the course has started. That will really not work. You need to log in to the Blackboard course that's available to you through the St. Mary's website. So please log in. Second of all, please read all the course outline materials. There's not a lot of material in the course outline, but what is there is very important. So please read in detail the course outline. Now, apart from covering a broad array of human resource management issues, we're going to cover those issues in terms of groups. You're going to be assigned to a group, and it will be with your group that you do most of the work. So the first thing you have to do is log in. Your group button will be on the left. You click on that. That will take you in to your group. Once you're in there, you're going to end up doing several different things. Number one, you might use the system to have some planning meetings to get to know the other members of your group and to plan out your work for the term. Secondly, there is a requirement for a group discussion each week. And basically what will happen is, from one of your planning meetings, one of you will be appointed, elected, or will choose to be what I call initiator recorder for the discussion for that week. And you will begin a discussion of the particular item for the week. Generally, it's a case in the textbook, a brief case, typically followed by 2, 3, 4 questions. So your job is to spearhead that discussion. Everybody else in the group should participate in the discussion. You can answer the questions, you can revise questions, you can make other comments, you can share your personal experiences in terms of the case issues. There are lots of ways to have a discussion here. Typically, the discussion will unfold over the week, and at the end of the week, the initiator recorder, the IR, for that particular piece will submit just a summary of the group's work. Now, what I will do is I will go back through the system, and I can access every group, and I can literally go into every discussion that the group has had, and I'm going to provide participation points for having participated in the discussion case. If you don't participate in the discussion case, you will get 0 participation points for that week. So please make sure that you log on, that you read the course outline in detail, and you check in to your group site. You will find several buttons in there. It's group discussion board that you will be looking for. You or someone else will go in there and create a thread, label it something such as discussion 1, and that's where people can post and respond to the posts of others and have that kind of discussion. The second key issue focusing on groups is the weekly assignment. So, as well as having a discussion case for participation points, there is an assignment case for assignment points. You don't get participation points for the assignment case. You get assignment points. So again, somebody can be the initiator recorder for the group assignment for the week. That person then spearheads the discussion of the assignment issues, the bringing together of the answers, the creation of a typed report that gets submitted to me through the email system. And I typically then grade that case and send it back to you within a few days of the start of the next week. Okay? So I just want to reiterate, 2 key group elements. One is a weekly discussion for which someone has to take charge and submit an overview of the discussion. I then assign participation points for the discussion. Secondly, there's a weekly assignment case for which you don't get participation points, but you do get assignment points. So if you don't take part in the assignment and your name does not get put on the assignment submission, you will get 0 for the assignment. So please, log on, read the course outline, get into the group system, move around it, meet the people in your group, and please submit the group requirements. The third group requirement I've labeled as a team term report. And basically, I'm asking you to, as a team, do a bit of research. Now, I'd like you to use the library. I'd like you to use the academic and professional sources, but I'd like you to generate a paper, about 8 to 10 pages long, just one paper for the group. Please use APA style guide, but really, I'd like to know what's happening in the field of human resource management these days. What's happening to the roles of human resource managers? Are they changing? Have they changed over time? From what to what? What are the implications for knowledge and skill sets for HR professionals these days? So on the course outline, you'll find a few other comments, questions, and directions to help you with that report. Now, that report's not due until much later in the term, but again, I think your group should get together, have a discussion of this term report, and again, you'll probably need to appoint an initiator recorder. The other 2 items I wanted to touch base on very briefly were the midterm and the final exam. The midterm will be online. It's only worth 10%, and you won't need a proctor for that, but you will access the midterm test system, and you have a certain amount of time to complete the questions and so on. We'll discuss this more fully as the course unfolds. I'll send you some reminders, and I'll give you an overview of the midterm and so forth at that time. The other element is the final exam. So the final exam is worth 40% of your course, and it will test from where we left off on the midterm through to the end of the course. My midterm and my final exam will both be entirely multiple choice. So you can read the course outline. Please log on. Please read the course outline. Please go into your own group site, work your way around in there, introduce yourself to your other group members, and please get started early. Start Module 1 in week 1. We're only here for 7 weeks, and Summer School 1 will be over. There is contact information on the course outline that will be posted, so you can send me an email, you can call me, and I do plan to have an online session, not a lecture per se, but I'll be available through the Collaborate system on Tuesday afternoons from 4:30 to 6:30. So you can click on that Collaborate button on your group tab on the left. You click on that, that will bring up Collaborate. Click on Collaborate, and you can come in and have an electronic discussion with me if you wish, 4:30 to 6:30 on Tuesdays. I plan to hold those discussions electronically, of course, but I'm going to operate out of SOBI 232, which is a part-time office for management faculty. So I'll be on campus physically at that time as well. So if your preference is to drop by and see me in person and chat about any course issues, then please feel free to do so. Other than that, you can contact me by phone or email. I didn't want to have this video go on forever and ever, so I'm going to close off here. But please, please log on early. Read the course outline in complete detail. Get stuck into your group discussion and your group assignment. There is a group discussion and a group assignment for week 1. So that once summer school opens, you've got 7 days to get that material into me. Some people in previous years haven't wanted to work with the email system in Blackboard. You must operate in Blackboard here. Some people say, well, I don't use the Blackboard email system. Well, that's unfortunate. The course is going to be delivered through Blackboard, and you must use the email system within it. I use a lot of the emails. I return assignments, I send out notices, and these oftentimes get posted, but they also get sent to your email. The email address that is currently in Blackboard for you is the email address that you originally gave St. Mary's when you registered. So if your email address has changed, you should probably notify St. Mary's of that so that the system itself can be changed, and any relevant emails that come from me will then get sent to your proper email address. I had one person suggest one summer that it would be fun to have the discussion on Facebook, and perhaps it would be, but I don't really use Facebook, and the course is not being used or offered through Facebook. So please have your discussions in the facilities made available to you in Blackboard through the St. Mary's website. Thank you very much. I look forward to hearing from you, and hope you've had a good early spring, and good luck with the course. Thank you.